What is algorithmic trading and how can you get started today? Welcome to FXCM's guide on algorithmic trading, a powerful tool transforming how traders engage with the markets. Algorithmic trading, or algo trading, involves using computer programs to execute trades based on predefined criteria like price, timing, and volume. This approach allows for faster and more efficient trading, minimizing human error and emotion. To get started with algorithmic trading, follow these steps. Understand the basics. Begin by building a solid foundation in financial markets. Learn about market orders, limit orders, trading psychology, and risk management. Resources like online courses, books, and financial news can be invaluable. Choose your asset class. Select the asset class that aligns with your interests and expertise. Whether it's stocks, Forex, or cryptocurrencies, each market has unique characteristics and dynamics. Select a trading platform. Choose a trading platform that supports algorithmic trading. Platforms like MetaTrader 4, QuantConnect, and uTrade Algos offer tools and resources to facilitate algorithmic trading. Learn programming. Familiarize yourself with programming languages commonly used in algorithmic trading, such as Python, R, or C++. These languages are essential for developing and implementing trading algorithms. Develop your trading strategy. Create a trading strategy by defining specific conditions for entering and exiting trades. Utilize technical indicators like moving averages, RSI, and MACD to inform your strategy. Backtest your strategy before live trading. Backtest your strategy using historical data to evaluate its performance and make necessary adjustments. Implement and monitor. Once satisfied with your strategy, implement it in a live trading environment. Continuously monitor its performance and make adjustments as needed. Ready to dive into algorithmic trading? Visit FXCM.com to explore our platforms and resources designed to support your trading journey. Stay informed, trade smart, and let FXCM be your partner in navigating the world of algorithmic trading.